Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a PDF reader, or we can say with the help of this plugin you will be able to create a flipbook inside your WordPress website. That is like amazing thing, right? As you can see in this thumbnail, we will literally going to create something like this. And if you want to read the whole documentation section of this particular plugin, you can always come to this official website on Code Canyon and you can read all the in-depth detail about it. Okay, so let's check out the live preview of this particular plugin, then you will get a rough idea what we are going to talking about in this video. Okay, so it's loading. Let's see if it is going to load or not, because sometimes these live preview don't work exactly, and if it doesn't, I'll just going to demonstrate you live how it is going to work. Okay, so let me see if the recording is working. It is working. Okay, so never mind, this live preview is not working. I will just tell you how you can install this plugin on your WordPress website. Super easy steps. Okay, so first of all you need to buy this plugin. You can always buy it from the official website of Code Canyon, or else you can figure it out how you can buy it, right? Okay, so I'm assuming you have already bought this plugin and it's on your computer, PC, laptop, whatever you are using. Okay, so next step is to install this particular plugin on your WordPress website. So I'm assuming you have installed a WordPress website on your domain till now if you're watching this. Okay, once you are installed it, just go to the home page. This is the domain which I generally use for my video purposes. It's like youtube.srmehanclub.com. I generally use this for my video tutorials. Okay, so as you can see on this domain, I have installed a very beautiful looking e-commerce website. So just comment down below if you want me to create a whole e-commerce website setup, just with all the free resources. I will just make a quick video about it. It would be around 20 to 30 minutes long. That would be super easy to create, nothing much of a hassle. Okay, so just let me know in the comment section. So once you are on the home page, you need to log into a dashboard. So to do that, you have to come to your domain name. In my case, it's youtube.srmehanclub.com, and you have to type slash wp admin and hit enter. So basically it will redirect you to the dashboard, and if you're logging in for the first time, it will ask you for the username and password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress on your hosting, right? So do remember those credentials which you have entered back then. Cool. So when you are on the dashboard, this is also called the back end of your website. So on the left hand side, you will see a lot of things, like a lot of settings. Like you can add the post, you can add some medias, you have to create pages, you can do that. So let me give you a quick tour. Under the appearance hood, you will find theme, which theme you are using. You can customize it, you can add widget, delete widget, and you can create your own menus and header footer blocks and all that. Cool. Under the plugin settings, you will be able to add new plugin, delete new plugin, and even though if you want to mess up with any kind of setting, like if you want to add a certain slider on your website, you need to add a particular plugin related to that particular slider, right? So we will get into that later on. Under the user section, you will be able to create multiple user, assign them different role or even same role. Like if you want multiple admin on a same website, you can have that. If you want multiple editors on the same website, you can have that, no issues in that. Okay, cool. Under the tool section, you will have import export tool and like site health and everything and all that. Under the setting hood, you will find general setting, reading, writing, discussion setting, and permalink. Basically permalink are the, what should I say, structure of the URL, how you want your URL to look like, right? Okay, so let's move forward to the plugin section. We will add this plugin. As I told you, you have to buy this plugin, and once you have this plugin downloaded on your computer, then we have to upload this plugin. So once we click on this add new button, then it will redirect you to this page where you can see WordPress provide a lot of free plugin by default, right? But the thing is, there is a lot of difference between free plugin and a paid plugin. Let me get you quick. Exactly, free plugin are not that much capable of doing the work done. So exactly, if you want to add more key phrase, so let me take an example of Yoast SEO. So basically this plugin is used for the maintenance of your website. It will do the SEO work and all that. But the thing is, whenever you go to a certain page or article, there is an option to add key phrases. But the thing is, in the free plugin, you will be only able to add one single key phrase. But the thing is, if you want to add more than one key phrase, you have to buy their premium plugin. It will cost around 50 bucks, I guess. I don't know, I don't remember exactly, But if you want to add more than one key phrase, you have to buy their premium plugin. That's what they do. They create a free plugin and the key features hide, or I should say lock them inside the premium plugin. So I generally prefer, you if you have little bit of money or budget to invest in the very initial stage of your business, always go get a good theme, premium theme, and get some good plugins, right? So that's it about that. Okay, let's upload our plugin. Here it goes. Select the file. I guess this is the file. Install now. Installation process totally depend upon your internet speed, and because it has to upload from your system to the website, and it is uploaded successfully. Let's activate this particular plugin. As you can see, this plugin has been activated successfully. Now let's create a 3D ebook. Okay, cool. Here you will see 3D ebook. Ebook, no, I mean to say flipbook. Okay, 3D flipbook. Let's create it. I already created before this, but I will delete it. Okay, let's add a new flipbook. I will call it as flipbook 1 or flipbook example or anything. Here you need to select your PDF. So like on your website, you can add your PDF by going here, media section, add new, or just select here or upload your PDF directly here. I have already uploaded some PDF. I will select this PDF and it will convert the PDF pages. As you can see, let's hit on publish. Then it will start uploading the pages. Then you will see here, right here. Let's wait for it. Okay, you can select the flipbook image. If you come here, let's select this random image, and you can see the flipbook is going to be converted in couple of seconds. You just have to wait. As you can see, each and every page is converting. This is a random, I guess, Arabic magazine, which is going to be a flipbook right now. Okay, let's update this. Okay, quick update, and let's come back to our main website. So as I told you, this is an e-commerce website, and the best part about this website is it is built on WordPress. So everything here is customizable. So let's come here and edit with Elementor. I mean to say that this website is built on Elementor. I say WordPress by mistake, pardon me. Cool. So let's edit with Elementor, and here we are going to add a section where we will insert shortcode. Cool, because this flipbook has a shortcode if I'm not wrong. Come to flipbook section and let's grab the shortcode of this particular. As you can see, this has a shortcode. I'll grab the shortcode and paste it right here and update it. Let's come back to our website and let's refresh this. Let's see how that particular flipbook looks like. Okay, as you can see, it's not loaded. I guess we have to just edit and wait for it to load out. See, this is not selected. We have to make sure that the flipbook is selected and all these pages has been processed successfully, and then we can make sure that it is working on the home page perfectly. Hold on, let the all pages load. I guess I picked up a large PDF, but never mind. Let's update this and coming back to home page, and let's reload it. I'm sure it will work perfectly fine. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. It's showing how many pages you are. It's good, right? This is a full 3D. It's white because it's loading, right? But I don't want to show that whole PDF because of copyright issues, right? You get it? So this is how you can demonstrate or showcase your PDF on your website. Like it might be ebook or it might be any kind of PDF which will convert into a whole book, right? So I hope you get the whole concept how you can add a really 3D looking flipbook on your WordPress website with super easy steps. So I want to wrap this video up right now. If you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.